Do you know how to resolve drive not showing issue on Windows? If you are experiencing the drive not showing issue on Windows and PCs, I will guide you through the steps to resolve this issue so that you can access your missing drive again. Press Windows plus R, type gpedit.msc. OK. Group Policy Wizard editor is open. Navigate to Administrative Templates and click on it and click on Windows Components. Click on it and locate to File Explorer and click on it and scroll down. Search to hide this specific drive in my computer. Click on it. If option is enabled, and select restrict A, B, C and D drive only. So you can change this option and select do not restrict drive. Select this option and click OK. You can see all drive is reflecting on your computer. Thanks for watching.